Today we're doing valve cover gaskets on this American classic. It's a fully restored 1966 Ford Mustang convertible, candy apple red. Before we get started, do me a favor. Comment where you're watching from because I like to see where people are watching from in the world. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get to it.
Take the valve cover off, slide it like that. Bring it right up out of there. Inspected it. Gasket look weak. Also dry rotted, hard as a rock. Inside the head look good. Now you see the difference from a good gasket and a dry work gasket. And it's good the customers brought me rubber instead of the cork kind. The cork kind, it breaks away really easy. See, it's not sealed all the way good. I'm not worrying about this no more because we're not using this valve cover. We're putting brand new ones on with new seals. So basically all I gotta do is go around the top of the head and clean it off, scrape it off, and then apply this to the new head gasket. In the next video you'll see it. The silicone, you put it on the valve cover before you put the gasket on. And while you cleaning that, this will be drying to it. You cannot put a little bit, you gotta put enough where you can basically fill it. Because when you squeeze it out, it's gonna seal all the holes. It can't look like that. It's gotta look like that. It can't look like that. It's gotta look like that. Once you get to used to using it, like you know how to spread it, and it won't be that much of a headache. If you don't put enough, it can make a leak.
We applied it, and we turn it over and stick it on and let it dry. This is the no leak zone.
I know how to get by. That's it, just give it time to dry. So when you slide in, it won't be trying to fall off. Then after I put it in, I still go back over again. So all that oil on that lip, it's gotta come off. You talking about these parts? No, it's cast on now. I like the color though.
The valve covers be going back. The customer brought in, they wanted. Initially they were going to go chrome, but
I'm glad they want this color. I like this color. Everything that motor standard. When they come different, they'll upgrade these. These will make different.
I think I missed a shot of you cleaning. You cleaned already?
Yeah. You can tell it's clean. It's dry. Ain't no oil sitting on top of it. I keep telling you that motherfucker don't do this shit ain't gonna stick. Or shoot right up on it.
What's that called? You clean what?
The lip. You just scrub the lip down and you spray it with blade cleaner. And by the time you come back to it, it'll be dry as your finger.
See that? Perfectly clean and dry.
Come on, baby. There you go. You always hand start these motherfuckers too. Don't hand start them motherfuckers. Up. Always hand start them first before you tighten it down. Helps the gasket go in place. Start from the inside and you work your way out. That's the way I do it all. PCB valve right here. So basically, if he go get this motor built, everything he got on the outside, he won't them put back on the other motor. Unless he changes his hands. See, when he go on this motor, he's gonna have a chance to upgrading the pistons and upgrading the heads to bigger valves that give you more power. But I'm person better do that as a machine shop. You break that motor down to 1,000 pieces, clean it, home it, all that good shit. And then when it come back, it'll be twice as more compression, stroke, and power. And you probably have to change that intake. Because you have a chance coming off that intake from a 2-barrel to a 4-barrel. 4-barrel, it'll be a whole lot bigger, and there'll be 4 circles up here at the top instead of 2 crosshair. You would have to change the scribble too, because when another intake, it's gonna pinch right there, so that the scribble had to be changed out to a longer one. To put a high-rise intake on them. This is made to go straight up on the ram like this is, but I seen they had to change the scribble. Then he had a chance to go electronic and come off the mechanical, the points. So that's a point of scribble. See the little bead dots, that's quartz here. They make a lip on it and then it won't stick. See the oil sitting on here? Don't worry about getting this shit on shit, it evaporates away. As if you don't get it on the fast enough. When I was taught this shit, I was taught the right way. Not no wrong way. I never had no problem.
Switch it up. Rewind, come again. Switch it up.
How many bolts on this thing?
6.
6 on each valve cover. 6 bolts on each cover. Customer had to order this cap. Cap is temporary. Stay tuned for the next video. We're about to change these belts. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe this video. Cause we gonna keep them coming. All kind of cars.